Meaning of dogfighting.
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 Dogfighting. Dogfighting is a cruel and illegal blood sport in which two dogs are pitted against each other in a fight to the death. Trainers and spectators often use various methods to encourage aggression in the dogs, such as starvation, taunting, and drugging. The result is a brutal and often deadly battle that can cause serious injuries and death to both dogs. Dogfighting is widely condemned as a form of animal cruelty, and those involved in organizing or participating in such fights can face significant legal consequences.